You want fuller, softer lips naturally? Well, in today's video, we're going to do some great facial massage exercises around the lip area to really help boost collagen and elastin, and also around the lips and on the lips as well. So we're also helping plump up the lips by blood circulation. I'm Ali. I've been a facialist for the last 8 years and I'm really passionate to help you on your skincare journey. So first things first, you want to start off obviously with clean skin, clean fingers, and we're using a little bit of facial oil. So you've got to slip and glide, particularly around the mouth area here as well. So I've just got a little bit of facial oil here and just need a tiny bit, a few drops on the fingers, and just applying all along the mouth, not forgetting the lips. And we're just going to go in a round circular motion with the fingers first, all along the lip area, just really getting that facial oil onto the lips here, and the other direction. Nice light, and then just gliding lower parts of the face and around the lip area. So starting with our fingers, let's just do a bit of gentle tapping. First of all, on the lip area here, getting blood flow and circulation to the area. Now, particularly if you're slightly older, you obviously tend to lose plumpness within the lips as we age. So you really want to get some circulation back into the area here, but also around the lines of the lips. So just above the lips here, where you get those potential wrinkles. Also the side of the lips and under the lips as well. So working all along the mouth area and also the lip area. So let's just do a couple of acupressure points and then we'll go on to some more lip exercises. So the first acupressure point we're going to go for is between the nose and the lip, and you just want to give that a few gentle presses first. And then where the mouth is, on the corners here, lift slightly up with the mouth as if you're a slight smile, and just very gently press these corners. This will also help with any droopiness of the mouth here area. And then just give a few gentle presses. And then from the mouth to the chin or the jawline, and then just gently press again. Another great acupressure point. And then just gently press. So we covered some acupressure points around this area now. So let's just do a really great exercise here for the lips. Now I'm just going to make sure that the shoulders are nice and relaxed and we have no more tension on the rest of the face. And we're literally going to make a sort of like a vibrating sound. It may look silly, and if you're doing this you may want to laugh if you're doing this in front of a mirror, but this will really get blood flow and circulation to the lip area. And we'll do this for 5 seconds. And one last time. And then coming now with the thumb placed under the lip area, the fingers above now, we're now just gently going to press. Come along, again getting blood flow and circulation to the lips. And further along. And one last time. You should find you should start getting some colour within the lips as well. And then just with the fingers massaging in a round circular motion on the lips and the other way. So now we're taking our fingers and we're starting from the jawline here, and we're working all along towards the mouth area in a slight pinching motion, and then just pinching the top of the lip with the thumb, fingers above, and under the lip here. Now again, I can't stress enough how important it is to use good quality ingredients when you're applying any facial oil. And the facial oil I have is organic, so it contains 11 organic ingredients and extracts as well. So try to get as good quality as you possibly can. I will leave a code in the description box below as well if you're interested. So really relaxing the lip, just getting in there slightly as well. And then taking our fingers, we're making a crisscross shape, and we're going to release any tight fascia within the lip sort of area around the mouth. So taking our fingers and then just working in lots of directions, nice and light, in an upwards motion above the lip. And on the other side, always working in an upwards motion all along the mouth. And then flicking literally above the lip area here. Reducing any of those fine lines and wrinkles. And then again, just gently tapping. This is a great one to do if you're just before you go to bed, but also if you're just about to put some lipstick on or your lip gloss and you're going out and you just want some quick puffy lips, slightly more plumper naturally, is to do this before you apply your lipstick or lip balm. And then just going upwards and outwards now. Nice feather-like touch. And what we're doing here is removing toxins and waste within the lymph. We've been boosting collagen and elastin within the skin and around the lips, and also on the lip area. So now we just need to move toxins and waste. So we're just moving outwards motion now towards the ears, and then just massage in front of the ear where we have plenty of lymph nodes and behind the ear. And then with one hand at a time, just gliding down that big SCM muscle down to the collarbone. And then for a final lymphatic drainage from the chin all the way down where our collarbone is, we just have some indentations above. And if you can just give those a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste we've moved within the area of the mouth to really help with the natural puffiness of the lips, and actually also reducing fine lines and wrinkles around the mouth area in the process as well. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please consider subscribing, liking and sharing, and please comment down below and tell me how you found this. And again, please check out my facial oil in the descriptions, and I really hope this worked for you, and please I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.